Our top 5 best coffee maker in the world. One number product. Ninja CM 401 Specialty 10-Cup Coffee Maker. Bring the coffee house home with the Ninja Specialty Coffee Maker. Combine super rich coffee concentrates with hot or cold frothed milk to create delicious coffee house style drinks or enjoy flavorful iced coffee that never tastes watered down. Brew anything from a single cup to a half carafe or a full carafe using your favorite grounds, no pods required. 2 number product. Black Plus Decker 12-Cup Programmable Coffee Maker. Enter text you wish spoken here. Brew your daily coffee fast with the Black Plus Decker 12-Cup Programmable Coffee Maker. Quick touch programming buttons make it easy to set the 24-hour auto brew feature and shave some time off of your morning routine. It's a washable brew basket. Black Plus Decker and the Black Plus Decker logo are trademarks of the Black & Decker Corporation. 3 number product. Cuisinart DCC 3200 P1 Perfect Temp Coffee Maker. State-of-the-art technology to ensure hotter coffee without sacrificing flavor or quality. Brew strength control allows you to select a regular or bold coffee flavor fully automatic with 24-hour programmability, self-clean, 1/4-cup setting, and auto shut-off. Adjustable keep warm temperature control. 4 number product. Chemex Pour-Over Glass Coffee Maker. The 6-Cup Classic Series used together with the scientifically designed, patented Chemex bonded filters, will guarantee that our pour-over brewing process will deliver the perfect cup of coffee, without any sediments or bitter elements. Includes a polished wood collar with a leather tie. 5 number product. Breville Barista Express Espresso Machine. The Breville Barista Express delivers third-wave specialty coffee at home use. The 4 keys formula and is part of the Barista series that offers all-in-one espresso machines with integrated grinders. To go from beans to espresso in under 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.